reading for All Signs Collective right from now until the end of the month of Jan. So, what all you can possibly expect from your person? Okay, so let's start. Soulmate twin flames, all that you need to know. All that you need to know. Uh, so, let's start. Right now, many of you guys are focused on being emotionally and financially independent. Okay, I do not see you worrying too much about your person or sitting down and crying or possibly bothered too much about the whole future thing going on. Okay, I see you just trying to focus on yourself, focus on your finances majorly, and focus on getting financially independent as well as emotionally independent. You do not wish to be codependent on your person for either your emotional needs, neither or your financial needs. Okay, what else is happening? Okay, so many of you guys are finally letting go of the burden. I do not feel like many of you guys are wanting to hold on to it and carry it through the month of Fab. You're basically wanting to let it go. Okay, one more card. So why is this shift happening? Why is this shift happening? What's the major reason for this shift, Spirit? The major reason for this shift is Five of Cups. You are done crying and waiting and regretting and missing this person. You are done. You're basically wanting a new life for yourself. Okay? With Eight of Cups, you're basically walking away, or you have walked away, or you will be walking away. That's what your energy like. The major shift is you're done crying over the whole situation. Okay? Regarding what's coming up for you, one card for what is coming up for you. With Six of Swords, I see you the next couple of weeks just moving on, just trying to stay away from all the drama, just trying to stay away from all the conflict, not wanting to be a part of anything that is going to bring you down or going to make you through, make you go through shit again. Okay, you're basically not wanting to face any sort of conflict or drama coming your way. Okay, you're just trying to stay away and be in peace and find that balance in life. Okay, regarding your soulmate, what are they up to? What are they up to? Regarding your soulmate, we have Six of Wands in the reverse. If you feel this person is living a good life, happy, successful, no. I feel like this person is just faking it. Okay, like faking it to to make it, possibly make you believe that they have a good life with or without you. I believe this person might also be posting on social media that they are successful, happy, having the best time of their life, and it's all false. Okay, top card we have is Three of Cups. So this person might be posting a lot of pictures with their friends or someone they are using to possibly trigger you to get a reaction from. Okay, so yeah, one card. What else is happening with your soulmate or twin flame? Okay. With Queen of Wands, this person, I believe, on a very strong level, is trying to get your attention through pictures or through through posts. Okay, I also feel like this person with Queen of Wands is someone who's very attractive. Okay, like in terms of looks, in terms of how are they thinking about you now, in terms of how they're thinking about you now. They know that the connection they share with you is out of balance. Okay, possibly in the past there was a lot of love, but right now you both have pushed each other away. How do they think about you, like in terms of the connection? How do they think about you? What do they think you are up to? In terms of how they think about you, what they think you are up to, they feel like you have lost the patience to stay stuck to them or hold on to them. They feel like you're losing it. You're basically wanting to free yourself, like you're no longer wanting to hold on to something that you believe is getting nowhere. With Strength in the reverse, they also feel like you're basically done, and you're not going to possibly hold on to them. Okay, in terms of how to think about you, in terms of feelings, passion, how to think about you now. uh, we have the Lovers in the reverse. Okay, there's this sudden change now. I believe you both think that this connection is a missed opportunity. in terms of how they think about you, in terms of passion and feelings, they feel like you have got away or you are getting away, or basically this connection won't really get away, like get to a point of a strong committed relationship. Like, what's the major shift, Spirit? What's the major shift? Why is it all happening? Okay. With the World card and with Four of Wands. With the World card, they believe or you believe that this connection is already over. Some of you might already be trying to move on or stay away. This reading, mind you, won't resonate with each and every one of you. Yes, to a point it will, but some of you are not really wanting to let your partners go, even if they are putting you through shit. You are not wanting to let them go. Okay, that's your life and that's your decision. I'm not judging you. One card for how they're feeling about, like what are their true feelings regarding this connection in you. Okay. In terms of feelings, we have Five of Pentacles. So they do miss you. They do feel the heartbreak. Okay, what are they wanting to do about this? What are they wanting to do about this, Spirit? What are they wanting to do about this? With Nine of Cups, to be very honest, I feel like your person is extremely selfish. And this person is all about themselves, and they are not going to want to put themselves into a situation where they feel like they are losing it, or they'll lose it, or they'll have to possibly compromise or let themselves down, or possibly bend over to fix things with you. This person is extremely prideful and very very selfish. Okay, one card for what are they wanting to do about this connection now? What are they wanting to do about this connection now? To be honest, in the past, Four of Cups in the reverse, they felt like this was a missed opportunity. Even now, in terms of how they want to come forward, like in terms of feelings, passion, they are still juggling you. To be very honest, okay, they are still not sure as to how to come forward. Okay, so one card for what can my possibly soulmate twin flame expect from their partners now in terms of action. Okay. To be honest, even if this person gives you attention, I still see them trying to control you, trying to possibly have a hold over you, not really wanting to give you that freedom, give you that space, not really let you be a part of this comfortably. They are wanting to control the whole situation. Even if they give you attention, I do not really see them being emotional about it, or wanting to be all sweet about it. No, they rather want you to dominate the connection, rather want you to dominate you into behaving the way they want you to behave. It's like they believe that you are theirs, but they also believe that they are single. You know what I'm trying to say? Like that. One card for, like, what are their true feelings? Like, what do they truly have for you? What do they truly have for you? Okay. With Four of Swords, right now you guys are on a break. Okay, with the Hanged Man, they know that they are very connected to you, but at the same time they believe that they are on a break, like they are holding back and they are not ready for this as of now. In terms of intentions, how are they wanting to come forward? In terms of intentions, how are they wanting to come forward? In terms of intentions, we have the Hierophant card. Why is the Hierophant card here, Spirit? Why is the Hierophant card here? Ace of Swords, top card we have is Three of Cups. Okay. To be very honest, I believe this person, in terms of intention, I believe they want to tell you something that is going to shake your world. Okay. This could be something regarding commitment with you or with someone else, but they are wanting to speak something about commitment. Okay. Like regarding something long term. Okay. What do they want with you currently? What do they truly want with you? What do they truly want with you? For many of you, I'm getting that with the Fool card. They are wanting to take that leap of faith towards you, but they do not have a plan. Okay, the reason why they haven't approached you is because this person is very, how do I put it, childlike, childish, immature, not knowing what to do about the situation. It's like you are in love with a person or were in love with a person who does not know how to behave in a relationship. Okay, so one card for what action are they wanting to take towards you now? What action are they really wanting to take towards you now? With the justice card, they do wish to fix things with you, possibly balance out the connection with you, speak the truth with you, but they do not know how to approach you. With the death card, they know that they'll have to change 360 in order to do that, and I do not know if they are willing to change that much. Okay, what can you possibly expect? What can you possibly expect? What can you possibly expect? Okay, with the Hanged Man and Ace of Wands, I do believe that this person will take time, but for many of you, this connection will either go in the right direction or it's going to go off track. Okay, so by the end of the month and the early part of Feb, many of you guys will either hear from your person in terms of moving forward with the connection, or you'll hear that this person is wanting to break free and move in another direction. But I'm getting very strongly that you are going to hear from this person in terms of communication, in terms of telling you whether this is either going forward or it's ending, or you should probably see other people or keep yourself open to other people. Okay, but I do believe this person wants to speak now. Okay, what can you look forward to by the end of the month? What can you look forward to by the end of the month? Yeah, just like I told you, with the Knight of Wands, this person is very much coming forward. With the Moon card, right now things are very much unknown. You do not know what they are doing. They do not know what you're doing, and you both are wondering what this person is up to. They are wondering what you are up to, and everything is basically unknown and no plans whatsoever where this is going. Okay, no clarity as well. Right now, I'm getting the Page of Swords. This person is very much stalking you. What do they want with you now? What do they truly want with you now? The High Priestess in the reverse. I do believe that this person, as of now, is wanting to come out of the cold. They are possibly wanting to start giving you attention, start getting your attention. Okay, for now, that is what they are wanting to do. Okay, I see communication coming in very strongly. At least those who believe in my readings and are very regular, regardless of your sign, I believe you guys are getting communication. I'm very sure, like 70% sure, that this is something that is going to move forward in terms of communication. However, commitment, I'll be very honest, some of you will hear from them in terms of moving forward, and some of you will hear from them regarding, you guys should possibly see other people. Okay, I just want to put it out there. Right now, one card of warning for you people, one card of warning. What should you be knowing that you do not know about this connection? Okay. With 8 of Cups, 3 of Wands, and 7 of Pentacles. I believe you guys have possibly lost a lot of time being a part of this connection. This person has wasted a lot of time, and I believe by Feb, if this person does not approach you or there is no sort of communication, you guys should choose to walk away. Okay, this is very straightforward. I do not wish to waste your time either. If this person still decides not come and fix things with you by the month of Feb, the whole month, you should walk away. Okay, so yes, that is what I have. Please also I would want you guys to comment your sign, your star sign, whether you're a Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius. I want to know which all signs are watching this. Okay, I have a major sign being the Libra, like watching this, because I was foolish enough to only do Libras when I started this channel. But yeah. So in terms of love messages, I try to stay away, but I can't. Okay, you would make the perfect father to our kids, father, mother, whatever it is. Last message we have, for many of you, it could be that the karmic is the problem. My karmic is the problem. Okay, I also see I hold back because I don't want to be rejected. So some of them know that if they come back and tell you that they were messing up with someone else, you would very much reject them. If they tell you that they were hiding someone from you, or they were possibly seeing someone like without letting you know about it. They know that you're going to reject them. You're not going to accept them, knowing that they were fooling around while you were still very loyal to them, right? So I believe for many of you there could be a karmic involvement. Okay, so this was your reading. If this resonated, I would really request all of you guys to hit the like button. It's just going to take a second, and it's going to make me feel so good. Okay, so just hit the like button if it resonates. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and all those who wish to get a personal reading done from me, please like visit my website and book one that fits your story. Okay, thank you so much, and see you soon, guys. Cheers.